Daddy, how much was lunch?
Lunch was $11.18 for 3 of us. And dessert with coffee was $3.50.
So, what are you gonna do?
We'll stay here. Found a home.
And I'm gonna eat all the products.
You had what for lunch?
Not that one product. I'm on a diet.
I ain't never gonna leave.
Daddy, how good was that dessert?
Dessert was the best dessert I've ever
So what are you gonna do?
get another one. Right now.
Now that we're at the end of Ikea, how are you feeling?
Well, still have money. Not much. This is making me better.
Do you still want to live here?
Yeah. Question not.
But he still hasn't bought my birthday present.
What do you think you would like?
Maybe a nice ring.
This could end up on YouTube. Be careful.
A ring?
A ring. Maybe he could marry me. I don't know.
Make you legal?
Yes.
Make an honest woman out of you?
He'll never do that. I am dishonest.
That's small enough?